Welcome guys. Okay, today we're going to be mounting the Polaris Plow onto this 2021 Polaris 570 Sportsman. So I've already taken everything out of the box. This is the plow setup for most of the, or I think all of the Polaris ATVs. There's the blade. So I'll quickly just go over the part numbers and what each component is. And then we'll get to assembling it, putting it on, and if I can, I'll make some videos of actually using it. So first part here is the plow mount. So this is the part that actually attaches to the ATV that holds the frame and the plow. So this is a pretty cool system once you see it in action. Basically allows you to take the whole system off of the ATV so you have no components weighing you down when you're not plowing snow. So this is the plow mount. And part number 2881423 and 2881424. Next you have the frame. So that's this, and this includes the springs, a bunch of hardware, and this is what the actual blade bolts onto. So this goes onto that, and then the blade goes onto this. And for that we've got part number 2879630. And finally, I went with the 60-inch, 5-foot Polaris steel blade. So they have a couple of blade options. I think the poly one is available now, and then I think they have a 52-inch blade. I think most people go with the 60 just because when you angle it, you still are plowing your wheel tracks. So that's why I went with that. And this one is part number 2879638. Okay, so yeah, let's get to the assembly, and it's pretty easy, and it's a pretty awesome plow system. Okay, so first thing I guess we'll do, there's a couple of instruction manuals, one with the frame, one with the mount. They kind of overlap each other, but so we'll just start with this. This is your lift handle, so that just mounts up there like that, and you're going to use your two, what are they, 15 mil nuts to lock that down. Okay, next we'll mount this plow pivot. Just like that. Put the cotter pin in. Okay, we'll mount the angling handle. So it's just a couple cotter pins as well. Okay, so next, I guess we'll mount the frame to the blade. And yeah, it's those holes there. You're looking for these guys. 19 mil. It goes in there. Goes in there. Next we'll add our springs. That's a 13 mil nut. Let's tighten that up. We'll just go a couple threads for now. Okay, so the mount goes like this. And so the short pin is on the left, like if you're driving it's on the left, and then the long pin goes on the right. Just like that. This one. Okay, and then we're gonna add this winch link hook in there. And we're just gonna thread that nut on just past the nylon. Right there. Okay, this is my very first time doing this, I promise. Okay, so these hooks here have to go up onto those two little knobs. There's one right there, and there's another one on the other side. And then use the winch to engage the back hooks. So I'll leave that light there. Pull this up. Okay, we're in there. And we'll let the winch out. Okay, you gotta make sure this red handle is in the up position. And then use the winch in Okay. And yeah, I think we're already locked in at the back there. And then to lock it, you just push that down and you're good to go. Oh, that's easy. So you can raise and lower your blade with the winch. Goes up pretty high too. Awesome. Okay, so we'll disconnect it. So we let it out. Get some slack there. Disconnect this. Just reel that back in. And then your locking handle, pull up and pull out. And that's it, disconnected. So for any of you that want to see how that actually locks on, I'll show you. So basically right now it's in the unlocked up position right here. There's some little, I don't know, wheels or bushings that hold that up. And you can see your little hooks back here are disengaged. You can push them. And basically these blocks, steel blocks, fit into the cutouts on your frame under here. So they fit perfectly into those cutouts there. So maybe I'll do a quick camera angle of what that looks like from underneath. Okay, so we'll put our front hooks on. Like that. Let our winch out. On, pull it in. And then we lock it. And you'll see those hooks grab on right there. Pretty cool system. I like that it totally comes off the ATV when it's not in use, so there's no extra weight. So yeah, pretty sweet. So to angle your blade, you just pull up on this handle, angle wherever you want. Left, right. Awesome. So yeah, let's go try it out. Okay guys, got I don't know, maybe 3 inches of snow. Fluffy stuff. We're gonna plow with the rink first, and then maybe we'll go do the driveway. That works awesome. So this gravel driveway, over the winter I've just been laying gravel down out of the dump truck in layers, and this last layer was done, I don't know, a few days ago. Really loose gravel, so I just set the skid shoes as low as they go, sort of like that, and then they just cruise on the gravel. They dig in a little bit into the gravel, and then the blade sort of just skins the snow off the top, so then the sun hits the gravel and then I'll still have good traction on the road. So yeah, this thing's wicked. So basically 3 passes, you can do the whole driveway.